Hello everyone. We are inviting all of you to come and drop by and try our food here. We do have authentic bagnet and authentic pizza. Also our signature Ant's Frozen Creation po. We are located at MC7 building, just in front of Maligaya Village and Maligaya 168. Second floor po kami, and we are the Bagnet House. Open po kami Monday to Sunday. Start po ng 11 a.m. hanggang 12 a.m. midnight. So come drop by, and we are not offering beer. We are more into celebrating friends and families here, reconnecting with everyone po. More into eating and celebrating with your loved ones. And even your grandparents will enjoy staying here po. That's all, and thank you. We hope to see you soon po. Thank you.